Cloudways VPS Hosting Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're diving into a review of Cloudways VPS Hosting, and I've included links to the product in the description below. Cloudways is a cloud hosting platform that stands out for its managed VPS hosting services, offering a balance of performance, ease of use, and scalability. It's perfect for developers, business owners, or agencies looking for a hassle-free yet flexible VPS solution. Cloudways offers VPS hosting on multiple cloud providers, including AWS, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, Vultr, and Linode. This provides you with the flexibility to choose the infrastructure that best suits your project's needs. Whether you're managing a high-traffic website, running web applications, or providing services to clients, Cloudways ensures that your server infrastructure is reliable and scalable. The platform's biggest strength lies in its managed services. Cloudways handles server management tasks such as security patches, backups, updates, and firewall configuration, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business or developing your website. This makes it ideal for users who want to leverage the power of VPS hosting without getting bogged down by the technical complexities. Cloudways offers SSD-powered hosting, ensuring faster website load times and improved performance. It also comes with built-in caching, auto-scaling, and 24/7 monitoring, guaranteeing a seamless experience even during traffic spikes. Additionally, the platform is known for its 99.99% uptime, ensuring your website stays online and accessible to visitors around the clock. Security is a key priority for Cloudways, with features like SSL certificates, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and DDoS protection included. The platform also provides one-click application installation, allowing users to quickly deploy apps like WordPress, Magento, and Laravel. Customer support is another highlight, with 24/7 live chat and a ticketing system that provides expert assistance whenever needed. In conclusion, Cloudways VPS hosting is a fantastic option for those looking for a managed hosting experience that combines flexibility, performance, and ease of use. Whether you're a developer or a business, Cloudways makes it easy to deploy, manage, and scale your VPS hosting while handling the heavy lifting on the back end.